Hey everybody, it's me, Dion Son of Wall Street from the floor of New York Stock Exchange. Greatest since just being around the ceiling, the floor. Let's talk. Nothing but green on the screen. We ended up the Dow off a touch. We did hit an intraday high up, 47,000 the other day. Those hats are printed up and ready to go, but we did not bring them out until we close above that level. We're inching by it. We're at 46.7, 1.2 billion on the tape. So consistently, we are doing over 1 billion shares in volume, and that's significant. We are 50-50 advance versus declines. That is also significant if you look in the crannies of it. With the Dow closing slightly lower, the S&P up 30 handles, a lot of green on the screen, record highs on crypto, gold at record highs, Brent a higher, Russell up, VIX down, transports up. But look, lots of green on the screen. Now, there is a lot of stuff going on around tariffs once again, doesn't seem to be moving the needle. Obviously, we are in the midst of a government shutdown, doesn't seem to be moving the needle. Obviously, we're coming into the beginning of the fourth quarter. We are going to start to see earnings, so that's on the horizon, yet to change anything. A weekend went by, not a lot of drama, and so where do we go from here? That's the question. With the lack of clarity around economic data coming in with the government shutdown, is that going to enhance, affect, or not at all the Federal Reserve or their October meeting? That is the question. Are they actually going to get numbers and not disseminate them? Are they going to have enough data to be able to make a decision whether we're going to get some cuts coming in October or wait until November and December? That is the question. The fact is, it's clear that being in the midst of a government shutdown is not affecting the market at all. The fourth quarter is coming in. So I think it's sort of I guess these are constructive times because we're not really, we're drifting a little bit higher, but we're surely not going down. So, as much as people think that this market seems like, oh my God, it's this irrational enthusiasm, we keep going higher and higher and higher, even in the eyes of a government shutdown and some weaker economic data in the midst of a interest rate cutting cycle, I think we're just sort of at the crossroads. We're at the crossroads of walk and don't walk, Broad Street and Wall Street, trying to figure out where do we go from here. That's the bottom line. And we will know one day at a time. We will figure out what's happening here. It's going to hit us in the side of the head. One day, it's just going to know. We're going to know what's going on. We're either building a base, we're hitting resistance. That's the way it has got to be. I love you all. Have a great night.